Peter Obi tenders total voter cards (PVCs) from 32 states at Presidential Tribunal as Tinubu INEC kick. The Presidential Petition Court (PEPC) sitting in Abuja on Wednesday admitted in evidence a bundle of exhibits containing the total number of permanent voters card (PVCs) that were collected in 32 states of the Federation before the 2023 general election. Equally admitted in evidence by Justice Aruna Tesamani-led 5-member panel was a bundle of documents that contained the total number of registered voters in the state. The exhibits were brought before the court by the candidate of the Labour Party, Mr. Peter Obi, who alleged that the presidential election that held on February 25th was rigged in favor of President Bola Tinubu of the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC). According to Vanguard, though Obi's legal team was led by Dr. Levi Uzoko SAN, however, the exhibits were tendered through another senior lawyer in the team, Mr. Peter Afuba SAN. The petitioners told the court that the exhibits were duly certified by the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC). However, the electoral body, through its lawyer, Mr. Kemi Pihero SAN, said it was vehemently opposed to the admissibility of the exhibit in evidence. Likewise, President Tinubu and the APC, who are the second and third respondents in the matter, equally challenged the admission of the exhibit in evidence. All the respondents said they would adduce reasons behind their objections in their final written address. Despite the objections, the court admitted in evidence documents on the total number of PVCs from the 32 states and marked them as exhibits PCN1 to PCM32. The court equally admitted in evidence certified true copy of a certificate of compliance on exhibits the petitioners earlier tendered in respect of Edo State. All the electoral documents the court entered in evidence after they were tendered by the petitioners were certified copies of supplementary IREV reports for 3 local government areas of Benue State, 2 local government areas of Cross River State, 12 local government areas of Lagos State, as well as 1 local government area in Gombe State. Meanwhile, earlier in the proceedings, the petitioners called 3 more witnesses that testified before the court. Dr. Chibuike Uwoke, who appeared as the 8th witness, PW8, in the matter, told the court he is a cyber security expert. The witness, who said he was siphoned to appear before the court to give evidence, tendered a document containing a press release the INEC issued prior to the general elections. Led in evidence by a member of Obi's legal team, Mr. Patrick Ikwetu SAN, the witness, told the court that the press release dated November 11, 2022, which was signed by INEC's National Commissioner, Mr. Festus Okoye, was titled "Alleged Plot to Abandon Transmission of Polling Unit Results to IREV Portal." Ikwetu SAN told the court that the witness had in paragraph 26 of his statement on oath referred to sources and materials that were published or used by INEC from 2018 to 2023 with their specific Uniform Resource Identifier UROIs attached. He said the PWA, that's the witness number 8, who was described as an expert witness, equally tendered a report on what he termed as metadata. All the respondents said they were opposed to the evidence of the witness and would give their reasons at a later stage of the case. Besides, counsel to all the respondents told the court that they were served with statement of the witness, which was about 8 pages, shortly before the proceedings commenced on Wednesday. They therefore prayed the court to defer his cross-examination till Thursday to enable them to study his statement on oath, which was admitted in evidence by the panel. After the court gave the witness the nudge to vacate the box and return on Thursday, the petitioners called their ninth witness, Mr. Onoja, Sunday. Sunday was led in evidence by Mr. Ikechukwu Ezechukwu, SAN. Another member of Obi's legal team told the court that he is a staff of Women and Child Rescue Initiative, a non-governmental organization. He tendered both his statement on oath and his office identity card, which were both admitted in evidence. While being cross-examined by INEC's lawyer, Mr. Abubakar Mahmood, SAN, the witness told the court that from his observation, voting and counting went well on the day the presidential election held. Asked if his party won election in the polling unit where he observed, the witness said, "I do not work for any party, neither do I have any candidate." Answering further questions from INEC's lawyer, the witness said, "I did not work with beavers in the polling unit, and from my observation, the officials went away to the Ward Collection Center with the form ECE8 polling unit result that was signed by both the INEC officials and party agents." While also being cross-examined by a lawyer in President Tinubu's legal team, Mr. Emmanuel Ukala, SAN, the witness admitted that the siphoned upon which he appeared before the court was not addressed to his organization, but to him personally using his village address. He told the court that after votes from the polling units were counted, INEC officials failed to upload the result to the IRF portal as required by the law. On its part, the APC, through its lead counsel, Prince Lateef Fagbemi, SAN, said it had no question for the witness. Similarly, in his own testimony, the 10th witness, Mr. Kifas Iya, who identified himself as a civil servant, said he was a siphoned to appear to give evidence before the court. After a copy of the siphoner was tendered without objection from all the respondents, the witness told the court that he served as an ad hoc staff of INEC. Following an agreement by all the parties, the court adjourned the case till Thursday. Both Obi and Atiku are expected to close their cases on Friday, after which the respondents will open their defense.